Hello everyone, this is AG sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope you guys are doing fine and staying home definitely. We were discussing chapter 7, exchange of gases. The topics we are going to discuss today: lungs, alveolus, and diaphragm. So let's start the class for today. The lungs. Lungs is the main organ of our respiratory system. There are two lungs in the human body within the thoracic cavity. The left lung weighs 565 gram and divided into two parts, where these parts are known as lobe. And the right lung, slightly bigger than the left one, weighs 625 gram and divided into three lobes. Means right one has three lobes and left one has only two lobes. As we discussed here, right one is slightly bigger than the left one, as in our left side we have our heart. That's why the left one is slightly smaller than the right one. Lungs are surrounded by a bilayer membrane named pleural membrane, or you may call it pleura. The internal membrane is called visceral pleura, and the external membrane is called parietal pleura. In the space between these two membranes contains pleural fluid. The pleural membrane allows these paired organs to expand and contract with minimal friction. That means the pleural fluid is helping the organs that means the lungs and the outer organs that they don't involved in some kind of friction. This fluid is ensuring this thing. The interior of lungs is made up of some spongy tissues containing many capillaries and around 700 million tiny air sacs known as alveoli. Alveolar is a plural form of alveolus. Alveolus is singular. The alveoli are cup-shaped structures found at the end of the terminal bronchioles and surrounded by capillaries. With the help of these capillaries, air sacs named alveoli can involved in diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between alveoli and these capillaries. The alveoli are lined with thin, simple squamous epithelial tissue that allow air entering the alveoli to exchange its gases with the blood passing through the capillaries, as I said. So now we are going to discuss about diaphragm. The diaphragm, a large sheet-like muscle which stretches across our chest under the rib cage, does much of this work. At rest, it is shaped like a dome carving up into our chest. When we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and flattens out, expanding the space in our chest and drawing air into our lungs. This was the function of lungs and diaphragm. I hope this would be helpful to you guys to make understand the function of lungs and the structure of lungs, what is alveolus, and definitely about diaphragm. If you found any kind of confusion or question about the topics I have discussed here, please let me know by doing comment in the comment box, or if you are get tired by hearing this sentence from me, you can also message me through messenger. I would definitely appreciate your question, and I would try my level best to answer your questions as well. So I have given 2 questions for your homework. What is alveoli? Describe the structure of lungs. This is the very tiny questions. I hope this would be helpful for you to complete within 10 to 15 minutes. So thanks boys to see the whole video, to do the whole class, and try to stay at home. As you can see, the outer atmosphere isn't still safer now. So stay home, stay safe. Thanks for today. Bye.